Is Lalu Prasad Yadav corrupt, or was he a victim of vendetta politics? Point number one. I hope she will answer that question. Point number two, I don't want to get into who's done what, but Manish Sisodia does not have a graduation degree. He just has a diploma. And then he became the kingpin of the Sharab Ghotala. So that is pretty lucrative career for him, where he made 100 crore rupees. But having said that, that's a side chat. No, that's not an allegation. It's a finding, ma'am. Here, I'm not talking about allegation. It's a finding. But let me come to the substantive part of the debate. The substantive part of the debate. Navika ji, may I complete? I heard the spokesperson. Can I complete?
Yes.
Now, Navika ji, I have 3 or 4 specific questions. If I'm lying, you answer in your own term.
Okay, Priyanka Kakkar, rest assured, as soon as Shehzad Poonawalla, finishes making his point, I'll give you the right to rebuttal.
Now, Navika ji, I just have 3 or 4 questions which I need them answered specifically. In 2021, the show cause notice was issued by the excise department of the said government, Delhi government, that certain companies which are blacklisted and manufacturing companies have been allowed to come into this policy when it was not allowed. What action was taken on those said show cause notices? Money came in and no action was taken. Point number 2, the fact of the matter is that the commission went from 5 to 12%, even though the Dhawan committee report said do not increase the commission. Third, wholesale was supposed to be kept with the public sector, government sector. How did it go to the private sector? These specific questions will never be answered by any Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. By the way, this entire matter started in August 17, 2022. In March sometime, this man makes a speech about Adani. But let's assume this is about Adani. Here is a project given to Adani by the Punjab government. It's a solar power project of 150 megawatts. This date is March 2, 2022. It was given during the Congress tenure, but their government is in power. If they are not with Adani and they are convinced that Adani is the most corrupt, because here is a picture, latest picture of Raghav Chadda with Adani, although I don't attach much importance to pictures, I want to know whether Priyanka Kakkar, the official spokesperson, will take 2 positions. A, is Lalu corrupt or is it vendetta? And 2, will the Punjab government cancel this ongoing solar power plant project of Adani with them right now? Can she announce that? Otherwise, I will have to say that Adani और आम आदमी पार्टी का कुछ तो रिश्ता है. ये देखिए.
Priyanka Kakkar, respond.
I don't know how to respond to these dumb arguments, Navika ji. Again, he is saying, yes, I'll come in. This man sitting on your show is blatantly lying about 90 to 100 crores. My voice is really echoing. Please get corrected.
Correcting it.
It is my request.
It's in a court order, para 41. Don't get so hyper, man.
So, 90 to 100 crores, 90 to 100 crores, this man blatantly lying on your show is a finding of the court. In that case, there is no trial needed. Who are you to put questions to me? I am saying, let it be proven by the JPC that there is nothing wrong with the Adani. Let the Punjab agreement
said no for JPC. They said state government should probe.
Let that also be investigated. And
TMC has said state government should probe. Are you ready for a probe in Punjab projects? TMC has said no for JPC. They said state governments which have given projects should probe. Will you order a probe in Punjab? Will you order a probe in Punjab? Take a position, Priyanka. Priyanka, take a position. Will you order a probe in Punjab? Will you order a probe in Punjab? Come on, Priyanka, take a position. Why are you defending? Why are you defending the project? Don't take a position. Come on, take a position.
Allow her to.
Come on, take a position,
Why
Priyanka.
can't you set up a JPC?
I can't believe the defense she's putting up for a project in Punjab.
You are in the studio. You are sitting in the studio. She's on a live link. There is a delay. Allow her to make her point.
Ability to hear.
Yes, Priyanka.
Don't cry because I asked you a difficult question.
No, let's not get personal. Let's stay on the issue. Priyanka Kakkar, 2 questions. Is Lalu Prasad Yadav corrupt? Number 1, after the conviction, what does the Aam Aadmi Party think today? Because what it thought earlier, we all know it's in public domain. Today, you're hobnobbing with them to make a joint united opposition. Are they corrupt or not? And is Lalu Prasad Yadav and his party part of your anti-corruption crusade from where you were born?
Navika ji, please let me answer. Please ensure that you put a leash on this man who's making personal comments so that he goes viral on social media. So please make sure of it. Now I'll answer. First, he spoke about 90 to 100 crores finding. 90 to 100 crores finding. In that case, this man should know there is no trial needed, because according to him, the court has already found. That is a very dumb argument. पढ़े लिखे होते ठीक से तो पता रहता. दूसरी चीज about his excise policy, the LG approved the excise policy, even suggested amendments. It is the same excise policy which is earning us a record revenue in Punjab, 41.8%, and also made sure that we earned 6251 crores in Delhi. Had it not been withdrawn, we would have hit our 9500 crores projection.
So it was a good policy.
Thirdly,
right? It was a good
if
policy,
you're
right?
asking me about Lalu, we respect the mandate.
Okay. Go on.
Lalu ji, we respect the mandate of the court, and if his son is right now hobnobbing with us like you call it, please ask him what does he think of A.K. Anthony's son, who A.K. Anthony was a corrupt man according to them.
No,
what is
you
his
never
son
said
doing
this.
in their party?
Excuse
Please
me, you
ask
never
him
said
that.
A.K. Anthony
So
was
we are,
corrupt and
all
his
we are
son
saying
has...
is let
One
there be a
second,
JPC.
लालू पे सवाल था, तेजस्वी
Let-
पे नहीं था. Lalu is convicted 4 times.
Let there be a
Is Lalu
JPC.
corrupt? Yes or no? Why
Let
is
there
Aam
be a-
Aadmi Party so scared of taking a
let
position on
there be
Lalu?
a
All right.
ये लालू से
All
रिश्ता
right.
क्या है
I'm
इनका?
opening up
ये
the
लालू
debate.
से रिश्ता
I'm
क्या है?
opening up the debate.